Hey Theta Gang, back with another daily video. So if you remember from my last video, we had sold a covered call on SPY that's going to expire today at the end of the day. It's actually pre-market, Friday, April 24th. It's 8:24 a.m. So just taking a look at SPY right now, it is up like less than 1% from where it closed yesterday, but it's still well below 286. I mean, after hours right now, it's up $1.17, so it's around the 280 level. I really don't think that SPY is going to get up to 286 today unless something crazy happens in the news. I think a $6 jump would be crazy for today, especially after the unemployment numbers and everything came out yesterday. So it's most likely that those shares are not going to get called away. I'll check back with you tomorrow just to confirm that. But so what's going to happen is we sold those covered calls for $68 of premium on Wednesday. So I'm going to get to keep that $68 and I'm going to get to keep my 100 shares of SPY. So what I'll do probably first thing Monday morning is I will sell another covered call on SPY at $286. That's going to expire the following Wednesday. So I'm just going to keep trying to get these shares called away and collect premium along the way. Now you may think, well, it's only $68, right? And I have essentially $28,600 invested. Well, that's true, but it's $68 in premium plus the appreciation in stock price. So if I sold it at 286 strike, then yes, I would not have any appreciation in stock price because I bought it at 286 and I sold it at 286. But if I wanted to go a little higher at, let's say, 288, well, that's a $2 difference from where I bought the stock and where I sold it. So I would get to collect the premium plus $200, right? Because $2 per share times 100 shares. So you can play the covered calls how you like it, depending on if you want to own the stock or not. Let's say you want to keep the stock, SPY is a dividend-paying stock or ETF. Let's say you want to keep it for a couple months. Well, just sell covered calls that are higher than where you bought it for. So if it does get called away, you may profit just by the stock appreciating, but also by collecting premiums along the way. I really don't care about the appreciating the stock price. I kind of want to get it called away. One, because I want to free up that capital to invest in more options. But I also think that the overall market is going to dip again. So I don't want to be caught bag holding SPY as it goes down. Because the further it drops down, the harder it is to get called away at the price that I bought it for. And I certainly don't want to sell it for a loss. So that's that with SPY. And if you remember, we have some AMD options pending. So one of them is going to expire today, and this one's going to be a bit iffy because I remember I sold a actually $55 cash secured put on AMD. So as of right now, if you check the pre-market numbers, it's like $54.97 or something. So we'll see what the market does today. Hopefully it goes higher, even just $1 higher would be great. I'm going to have to keep an eye on it because if it's around the $55 level and I don't really want to get the shares assigned, I may end up just closing the option early by buying the put back, and hopefully I'll still profit. I should still profit, but I'm kind of debating whether I want to risk it and actually just get the shares assigned if they get assigned at $55 and then sell another covered call like I'm doing with SPY next week. We'll see how the day plays out. That's really going to factor into what I decide to do. Because if the market starts tanking again, well, then I'm certainly just going to get assigned and then I'll sell another cover call tomorrow. But it's kind of, if it's on the fence, I'll see how I'm feeling. I think I'm going to wait till midday just to see what the market's going to do. If it's kind of trending up, trending sideways, or trending down, and make a play from there. I also have a $52 strike that expires next Friday. That's after earnings. So hopefully AMD goes up after earnings, and that one is okay, but I'm going to keep an eye on that one too. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Let me know if you'd like to make any other videos. This is Theta Gang strategies. So if you've heard that term before, basically we're using time to our advantage. Because even though AMD has been hovering around $55 for the past day or two, I still am, I don't want to say profiting, but I'm still in a good position because every day that goes by or every hour that goes by, the time is eating away at the premiums, which is what I wanted to do because I want to buy it back for less premium if I have to than what I sold it for. So with these strategies, time is always on your side. If you buy calls and buy puts, time is against you because you need that stock to make a move quickly. The longer it takes for that stock to make a move, actually, you're just slowly bleeding money. So that's why I always like to sell calls and sell puts, because time is on your side. And why wouldn't you want that? All right, Theta Gang. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps me a lot. If you want to learn more about stock markets and investing in general, I have some links for good books that I like in the description below. So thanks again for watching, and happy trading.